Hello friends, myself Shahbaz Syed. So today we are talking about access modifier and non-access modifiers in Java. So let us talk about access modifier in Java. So Java provides a rich set of modifiers. There are used to control the access mechanism and also provide information about class functionality of the JVM. They are divided into two categories. That is, the first one is access modifier and second one is a non-access modifier. So in access modifier in Java, private access modifier are public, private, protected. Java also defined as a default access level called package private. So public, when a member of a class is modified by a public, then that member can be accessed by another board. So private, when the members of the class is specified as a private, then that member can be only accessed by other member of its class. Default, in default, it is also referred to as no modifier. Whenever we do not use any access modifier, it is treated as a default, where this allows us to access within a class. So within a subclass, also non-sun class within the package, but when the package differs, now it is a subclass or non-class. We are not able to access in this class. So protected. With the above default keyword, we are facing an issue. We are getting closer to the real world with the default modifier, but there was a construction, as we are not able to access the class subclass from the different package. So protected class protected access modifier allows not only to access class be it subclass non subclass, but allow to access subclass of the different packages, which bring us very close to the real world and hence strong understanding of inheritance in Java. So this is implementing this keyword. So access modifier note, we can understand why main class main has always been protected by public modifier. It is called by the code that is outside the program, that is by the Java runtime system. When no access modifier is used, then the default member of the class public within the own packages, but not can be accessed outside the package. Protected applied only when inheritance is involved. So thank you.